Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another unboxing and first look to a new knife from a new brand that I acquired. So this is a French company which is called Corellis or Corelius, and it was founded by Luc Foin and Stéphane Lebeau. They own three brands, so this is Baladeo, and they have Deijo and Akimoto. They're mostly focusing on outdoor stuff, so cups and containers for food, backpacks, and also of course knives and some multi-tools. So from Baladeo, I wanted to check out this inexpensive paring knife, folding paring knife, and I did order the violet one, but for some reason they sent me the rose, so pink, but it is what it is. I have no problems with that. Those colors looked really close. Okay, so but the model number is ECO340, so ECO30304. It comes really nicely packaged. It's a paper. We also have some literature with it. So yes, here are the informations how to close the knife. There is a back lock, but we will talk about it in a minute. Okay, so first, I really like this packaging style. This is like with some traditional knives. They would be packed in a piece of paper to absorb the moisture if necessary. So no extensive oiling is needed to store your knives like some companies. Yes, brother, I'm talking to you, and also sometimes to son. Okay, so let's talk about the specifications. So we have a whole length of 17.9 centimeters or 7 inches. So this is completely serviceable and decent for your camping or food prep situation on the road. Maybe if you are just have a hike and want to open maybe a packaging or something to go and snack a little bit. So yeah. The blade length is 7.2 centimeters or 2.8 inches. So everywhere where you have a 3-inch limit, then you are perfectly safe. Handle is 10.2 centimeters or 4 inches. The blade width is 1.7 centimeters or 0.67 inches. The blade thickness is 2.3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. We have a full flat grind, and the handles are 1 centimeters thick, or so that is 0.04 inches, and handle width is 2 centimeters, which is 0.48 inches. Yeah, what to say, construction wise, you have a backlock construction, which is encased in this thermoplastic TPE soft grip. It's also sometimes called thermoplastic rubber. And to be honest, I have not seen this design or this material used for quite some time. Maybe when I last time had some old Kershaw knives. You know what, let me bring them out. Okay, so here is my old model number 3000, and this was a long time ago, and as you can see, we have similar materials used, also enclosed backlog. So yeah, really good to see that somebody is making something similar. They will offer this in a few color variants, so you have all your blue, green, violet, lime, and also orange, blue. And then of course they are offering it also in two wood variants. One is a nice olive wood, and the second one is black grenadina. So yeah, I don't know about that wood, but you can choose it if you like. So you have the Baladeo logo on the blade, and inox stands for stainless steel. This is marked only as inox, and what I could found on the internet, it is a 420 stainless steel. So nothing special, nothing bad. You will probably have to touch it up more than if you had a higher quality steel, but if you are using it only to maybe prepare some food or cut up fruit, then this will be perfectly fine. And 420 has a really nice corrosion resistance, so even if you cut up something like apples and oranges, then you should not have a problem with a patina or rust. But then of course I strongly suggest to definitely clean out, wipe it down, or rinse it out with water if you are preparing food, just to be safe, of course. Okay, so inside we have a full stainless steel construction, no milled out pockets, and then it is enclosed with this TP outer shell, or soft rubber shell. The weight comes in a 61.8 gram or 2.2 ounces, so it's really nice and light. Now, of course, let me show you a few size comparisons. Okay, let's start with something EDC friendly. So here is the CVV Elementum. They should be probably almost the same size. Then non-locking Kaiser pinch. K by Dozier Folding Hunter. All these nice are of course a little bit more expensive than this one, but that I will be talking about later on. So here is a Rough Rider Peanut. Let's see, Spider Cordelica. CVV Erastic Gent. $940 from Benchmade. Small Reptilian from Benchmade. Here's my Opinel with the paring knife, paring blade. So a little bit larger, a little bit more expensive. It's a buck toothpick. Red Model 2 should be also the same size. Bug Vintage Select. It's a little bit smaller. This is Bug Vintage Pro. Lockback Sprint Pro 27187. And a Kesivo or Free Tiger or Tuna Fire model 956. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing. So the prices are all over the place. I could not found the pricing on the Baladeo website for the TPE version. I don't know, maybe they stopped producing them, but the Widh version was 22.5 euros. So you are looking for around 35, maybe $36 for the Widh variant. The TPE variant was around $9. That is after discounts from the reseller I bought it from. I will link him down below. It's a really nice French company. So if you like, you can go check them out. But you can definitely search around the internet, maybe find your local retailer and buy it from them to support them. So this should be really inexpensive. You're looking around $12 maybe after the conversion rate of the US dollar and euro. So if you have any questions, like always, please leave comments down below. Any suggestions are appreciated. If you want to see maybe something like a video about comparison with some knives, then let me know. I'm more than happy to oblige. If I have the time, I will produce these kind of videos, of course. Also, if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you're not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, so that if you are subscribed, you will not miss any new videos. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.